Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Romaine Virgo was sensational at Johnny Walker event and gives us an exclusive on his new album. The event held last night at Hope Gardens featured a multi-sensory experience with a curated selection of signature blends. Patrons were treated to a live performance from the reggae sensation Romaine Virgo, who had the massive crowd singing word for word. Virgo also shared exclusive with E Prime details on his soon-to-be released album.
I'm just looking forward. It's gonna be a beautiful 2024. I can feel it already. And we give thanks to all the producers, artists that we get to work with over the years, and especially the ones that are gonna be on this project that we're looking forward to put out, and just can't wait.
Also spotted was Grammy 2023 Best Reggae Album winner Kabaka Pyramid, and he shared with E Prime the Grammy effect on his career.
It's been hectic, but it's been a great journey, you know what I mean? And this is what we live for. I'm a touring artist, if you want to call it that, you know what I mean? So we're used to it. I love traveling, you know, and this year I haven't even had like a 1 week without traveling, you know what I mean? So it's a great vibe.
And with a message for the season was brand manager for Spirits and Guinness at Red Stop Jamaica, Nadine Hilton.
During Christmas, we want to remind persons to stay safe. You know, we are happy that you consume our products and we will teach you how. But we want to say to you at the end of the night, after you've had all this fun, we want to make sure that you remember it. So always hydrate, always drink and live responsibly.
Part to know, pay later. As Jamaica's 2024 Carnival Road March draws near, local carnival bands launched an initiative allowing masqueraders to enjoy the carnival experience without having to pay all the funds up front. With carnival costumes ranging from $500 to over $900, masqueraders now have the option of paying for the costumes over a 1-year period as opposed to over 4 months. With the current financial constraints on revelers, this will provide a boost for the entertainment sector by allowing more persons to be integrated in the carnival experience. Tasha Cobbs Leonard and Nicki Minaj received Shower of Blessing with their first #1 gospel single with Pink Friday 2's Blessings. The chart topper featured Cobbs Leonard and topped Billboard's Hot 100 gospel list with 3.1 million official US streams and 3,000 downloads. Now the song also topped gospel streaming songs and gospel digital song sales. The collaboration also featured Minaj on I'm Getting Ready in 2017. Pink Friday 2 has been a massive hit since its release on December 8. Drake, Lil Wayne, J. Cole, Future and Lil Uzi Vert are among the musicians featured on the album. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.